Hey guys, it's Sam for Digital Meat, and this video is a quick update about digital meat in general, amongst other things. Okay, the first thing I want to talk about, which you may have already noticed, is the new look for the tutorial icons on the website and the video thumbnails. I think these look a lot better than the old ones and feel they're more professional and a bit more slick. I'd love to know what you guys think of the new look and if you like it or not, so feel free to comment. I also want to cover the tutorial section of my website briefly, in particular the NAB filter. As you can see, it is a lot more fleshed out now and goes right back to 2012. I'll be making sure these stay up to date as they are released every year. I really suggest you check these out as they cover a wide range of subjects when it comes to Cinema 4D and a wide range of speakers. I will also be doing the same thing for my SIGGRAPH filter in the tutorials page, so I just need to hunt these talks down and present them properly and in order, so keep a lookout for that too. Moving on to YouTube, I'm about to hit 10,000 subscribers, so I just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone who watches my content and who has subscribed to the channel. It's very, very much appreciated, so thank you very much for your support. Now, I'd like to address why it's been a bit quiet on the video front for both my YouTube viewers and my Prime members over the last month. As many of you already know, as well as running Digital Meat, I've also worked a full-time job as a 3D developer for the last 8 years. The company that I've worked for has decided to change the nature of their business, so we will be parting ways shortly. As a result of this change, my main priority has been to find employment. But I'm now seriously considering becoming a full-time freelancer, as this will give me the freedom to work remotely and free up some more of my time for Digital Meat. So if any of my viewers need 3D contract work done or work for companies that could use my services, I can be contacted via the contact page at digitalmeat.uk. I'd also like to reassure my Prime members that they will be taken care of first and as soon as possible, so you should see Prime tutorials start flowing again in the coming weeks. I hope this isn't too much of an inconvenience for you guys, and hopefully I'll be back up and running in no time at all. For my viewers on YouTube, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new tutorials. You can check out content at digitalmeat.uk, where you can filter my tutorials by category and vote in the poll for upcoming tutorials. You can also follow me on social media, links in the description and the footer of my website. If you'd like to help support Digital Meat, this can be done via Patreon or the support page on the website. But if you want to help Digital Meat keep going and bag yourself some extra in-depth tutorial content, the Prime membership is available for purchase in the store. This will grant you access to the Prime membership area of the website. I also have a second YouTube channel called Beef Doctor, which is a bit of a dumping ground for non-3D content and where I'm streaming games. There's a link in the description and the footer of digitalmeat.uk. I hope to see you guys in the chat. Thanks for watching guys, bye!